All right. Hey guys, let's talk about Ethereum today. It's had some major price action, a lot of excitement with reaching all-time highs over $2,000. And a lot of people want to know what's going to happen next. From my discussions I've had with some people, a lot of people believe it's going to go to 3,000 from here, just a straight shot, and just keep on going. I don't think so. If we look at the technicals, I just don't see it happening. So let me explain why. Now, obviously, we have a couple, well, I have a lot of drawings on here already. We do have a very clear X, A, B, C, D pattern right here. This was showing these two triangles here. Now, that's a reversal pattern, and I'm expecting it to come downward from there. Not only that, but I've been watching this pattern on Ethereum all year, expecting a cup and handle. I've been expecting the cup and handle since maybe August. I've just been waiting for it. And now that we've gotten up to $2,000, very big round number, I'm really expecting major resistance here, and I'm expecting a turnaround. So on the long-term charts, you can see pretty good reason for it to just take a break. I mean, that's a mega run from March to where we are now. That's major. I did split the run in half, if you can see looking closely. From here to here, I did place my Fibonacci extension tool, and I've got this as one complete run. And if you look at it that way, it's already at about a 400% extension off of that rally. You could have maybe come in this range and reset, but I don't think it needed to be done here. So let's take a closer look. So presently, Ethereum is in a very obvious rising wedge. Let me go ahead and get rid of this so we don't have to look at that right now. Okay. Let's get rid of these moving averages too. I know I have a lot of drawings on here. Let's clean it up a bit. So right now, we're definitely in this rising wedge, and that's gorgeous formation. They usually do not make it all the way to the end and consolidate that much, but based on trajectory, if it were to continue going up in price and consolidating in this range, it wouldn't stop until about $2,400, at which point I expect it to come downward. Now, a lot of that is just personal feelings from watching it and just thinking, man, this run is crazy. It's going wild, and then just instincts, big round numbers like $2,000. A lot of people are going to be ready to sell. A lot of people have made really good life-changing money this year just by buying Ethereum. So you have to expect that at some point people are going to take some profits on the table, pay off some bills, and just improve their lives a little bit, especially at a big number like 2,000. It's a big psychological level. I made this chart on the 18th. Obviously, this channel could have been predicted before the 18th, but I was looking at it, getting really excited about what's going to happen close to the 2,000 range. So I put this together, and that's when I decided right here we were going to see the reversal. And I really didn't think it would make it to the top here, and I still don't think it will. Now, once it broke 2,000 and got up to like 2,050 or whatever it was at that time, I started getting a little worried. Excuse me. That worried that I'd be wrong. That it was going to break through this channel and make another push. It got rejected at the channel line. So that's another confirmation this channel is still in play. And at this point, I do have to at least move this over here. Okay, I'm just going to adjust this a little because why not? All right. So let's take a look at the other major reason why I think this is going down. We had a high right here, and then we had, where do we have the all-time high? Right here, all-time high right here, and then ever since then, everything else has been new all-time highs. Oops, I think I just dropped a line in there. I didn't mean to. Skip that. So anyway, I was just going to put a trend line showing that the price is going up while the RSI is going down, and also the volume is going down. Okay. So while the price is extending into a bearish pattern, now bearish means bad, probably going to break downward and have a correction. That's what bearish means. With all those things, all-time highs, big psychological round number of $2,000, decreasing volume, bearish divergence on the RSI, potential cup and handle in play, XABCD pattern, mega run at 400% extension. I just don't see how you could be bullish on Ethereum at this moment. Now, I'm very bullish on Ethereum throughout the rest of the year. If you want to take a look at my other chart, ETH cup and handle, I've got Ethereum going to at least $4,000 this year. But not right now, not in a straight shot. I just don't think it's going to happen like that. I think it's got to come down and reset. So let me hide all these drawings so we can just, let's really get a grip on what's happening here. You know, that's a major run without any big corrections. Why couldn't we see something like this? Would that look really abnormal on this chart? Or even to spike almost straight down somewhere around here? Maybe even a wick down to 1200. There's a lot of support in this $1,100 to $1,200 range. Now let's put my drawings back and zoom in on it. Let's get rid of a couple of these things. Okay. Now from here, I placed a Fibonacci retracement tool at the bottom of where this rally started on this side to the top where we are currently. If it turns around right now, we'll probably see a little bit of support in this level where we had some already. Maybe even exactly right here would make some pretty good sense. Let's just mess with that a little bit. Now, these lines don't have to be accurate. It's just somewhat probable. You tend to find support and resistance at these Fibonacci levels, especially when combined with another, this is the one I need to delete, when combined with another support or resistance level from the past. So this zone right here down to $1,000 is pretty likely. 11 to 1200 is really likely, but a retracement down to 0.618, I wouldn't rule that out. That would bring us down to 964. I think it could go a little bit lower. I think the absolute bottom is going to be 850 at lowest. I really don't think it could go any lower than that. But let me put this here right in the 850 range. That way we can see it when we zoom out. Because I want you to take a look at that and tell me how unlikely does that really look when we zoom out. Does that look impossible? I don't think so. And in fact, if it does that, I think it would be pretty good. I think it would be nice and healthy. It would give Ethereum some strength. I'm looking for my curve. Let's put the cup and handle back in here. Let's just say it does turn out to be a cup and handle. You know, why wouldn't something like that seem reasonable? I think it does. You can use your own judgment on that, but I don't have any technical analysis that says we're not headed for a big correction on ETH. And it could very well, from here, skyrocket to 4,000 by the end of the year. 4,000 is not that far up on this chart. So where's my tools? All right, here we go. So from reaching the current highs again back up to 4,000 by the end of the year. Let's just even put it something like that. Why not? You know? So yes, I'm very bullish on ETH, just not at the moment. I don't think it's, for me, I'm not dollar cost averaging into it anymore. So I hope this is helpful. Please let me know what you think, and give me a like and a follow. I appreciate it. Thanks.